Hey guys, welcome to the Mr. Detailer YouTube channel. On this channel, we will be reviewing existing as well as new detailing products and tools, learning detailing tips and tricks, and creating an environment where you and I can share what we learn together. This channel is intended for the do-it-yourselfer, the automotive enthusiast, and even for people looking to get into the detailing business or those that are in the detailing business and are looking to gain some new knowledge. My name is Stefan. I reside from a small town in Connecticut called Portland. This is what I would call then my formal introduction to my channel. First and foremost, thank you for taking the time not only to watch this video, but future videos as well. I've been detailing for about 35 years, with obviously a few of those years coming before I could even get behind the wheel and drive. I've always had a passion for it. I picked it up and at a young age, and just like seeing how clean, how shiny I could get a car. Obviously, I've learned a lot of those 35 years. I still have a lot more to learn, and I think that's where this channel can become great. I can share what I learned, learn from you guys in the comments and questions, and share with you the other YouTubers that I follow who do detailing that I've learned a lot from. While I am very comfortable detailing, I am not comfortable sitting in front of a camera. This is the first time I've ever done this. I've never had a YouTube channel. I watch YouTube a lot. Never thought about recording my own videos. So if I tend to stutter my words or look for something to say or stare off to the side, it's because I'm trying to process this. But I believe as more videos come out, as I become more comfortable with this, as I learn from what you guys is what I can do to get better at this, I think things will get better and easier. When I first started detailing, I knew that my commitment to detailing needed to go simply beyond maintaining and reconditioning vehicles. I believed back then, as I do today, that that detailing is a passion. It's my passion, and that I will always thoroughly enjoy working with automotive enthusiasts, the do-it-yourselfers, and those detailing pros, or someone new getting into the business, such as you guys. So thank you guys for coming, listening to this video. I look forward to making future videos. Please like the video, subscribe. Feel free to comment, ask questions, or request product reviews. And check out the videos as they get uploaded, as I hope they are a great resource to you as we move forward. Thank you guys so much for watching this first video. I look forward to seeing you guys soon and seeing what we can learn together. Thanks, guys.